Hey guys, it's time. It's time to make another video talking about Nicole State and her scams and her shady ways because I'm just literally fucking sick of it. I am getting messages literally weekly from people telling me that they've been scammed by Nicole. Nicole's done this to them. Look what Nicole's doing now. It's fucking crazy and it needs to stop. I'm not mad at the people sending me messages. I feel like they're sending me messages because they know that I can be a voice and they have no voice or they don't want to have a voice. They want me to help them. Again, no shade towards the people sending me messages, but it is literally out of fucking control and something needs to be done. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link a playlist down below. I have a bunch of videos talking about Nicole State, talking about her past scams. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to read you guys some of the messages that I have received over the past few months. I'm not going to say names because a lot of these people want to remain anonymous. But yeah, I'm just going to tell you guys, these are just some of the messages that I've received and this shit is not stopping. She did go maybe like a year, maybe a little bit under a year without scamming that we know about. Let me say that because she could have done shit that nobody spoke up about. But as far as I know, she went like a good, I want to say almost year without doing anything shady, again, that I know about. But ever since she decided to sell on a live selling platform, the scams have started happening again. It was actually a genius move for her because new platform means new people that don't know about your past. And that's what I gotta remind myself when I see literally like 400, 500 people in her shows, is that the majority of these people don't know about her past. They don't know about her because there's no way that many people would be accepting of the shit that she's done. Like there are a few, and this could be a whole other video. The amount of two-faced people is actually insane. It's like you were just texting me and messaging me about how much you hate her and now you're in her show modding for her. Like you and these people are like older too. We're talking like 50s, 60s, you know, like older people that should fucking know better. And I know some people use the excuse like, oh, people can change, you know, she's a changed person. It's like, absolutely people can change. Yes, it's possible to, you know, make a lot of mistakes and then change and become, you know, a better person, but not Nicole. That's never gonna fucking happen with her. Never. And you're a fucking fool if you think it is. So these are just some recent screenshots I'm gonna show you. Some of these are talking about recent events. Others are talking about events that happened like a year ago, maybe a couple years ago. But it's relevant because she's still scamming to this day. So again, if she was like a changed person, it'd be like, okay, that was her past. We can forget about it. But it's actually her fucking present as well. It was her past and it's still her fucking present. You guys, this literally pisses me the fuck off because the shit that she gets away with is insane. It's absolutely insane. This person said, and I'll put screenshots up so you guys can see, but again, I'm blurring out names because I know people want to remain anonymous. This person said, I remember participating in a giveaway Nicole State was hosting. Supposedly I was chosen and won a planner that she created. So she had this time in her life when she created a planner, which is a fucking joke. She scammed people. Obviously, this person was one of them. But she never sent it out. She just did the giveaway to gain followers and for her own selfish gain. Other people who were supposed winners also did not receive their planners. Nicole State is so dishonest and shady to say the least. She'll backstab fellow resellers and her followers. Sad thing is, if she were genuine and authentic, she would be way more successful. Joke is on her. The only person she hurts is herself. Okay, so this actually happened recently. This was fucking hilarious. Okay, this person said, okay, girl, I had to see what was going on in Nicole State's shows tonight after I saw your recent story. I don't remember what story she's referring to. But anyway, she said, I'm floored by what I came into seeing and I'm dying to share it with someone. So one of her mods tried talking shit about a buyer who just paid $275, but her shit talking came through on the chat. See the screenshot below. I will show you that screenshot. What floored me more than the comment was that Nicole and the other mods lied and flat out told the viewers she copied and pasted a personal text. How are people accepting this bullshit? It's hilarious. Which, by the way, I can't say too much about group texts and whatever because there's legal stuff happening. But just know, once the legal stuff is over, just know, okay? That's all I'm going to say. Okay, this person, I've talked about this before. I'm pretty sure I showed these screenshots in a previous video, but she said, I used to list for Nicole State around the time everything happened with her business. I think she's talking about her rip-off mystery boxes that little venture that did not fucking work out, the merch or whatever the fuck it was called, that she basically ghosted me and never paid me. We also made a deal on trading some listings for a blanket and a wine bottle opener, and that never got sent to me because she kept forgetting. It's been well over a year and she owes me around $300. In the long run, it's not a lot. I mean, $300 is a lot of money. It is. It is. She said when something goes wrong in her life, she plays the victim and makes others pay the consequences as well. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes, she does. So basically this person used to list for Nicole. She then sent me screenshots of like their conversation, and Nicole was basically like just blowing her off. It was fucking pathetic. Okay, this person said, I spent 5 days in Texas with her where she abused people mentally and verbally. I bought something from her way back before when I was a part of her accountability group, and she lied about what I got. She literally sent 5 pairs of black Target pants, size extra small and extra, extra large. She's a straight up liar and a thief. Now I know recently she had like a meetup in Vegas, and I know people that went to that are gonna be like, oh my God, she's such a nice person. It's like your little fake Vegas meetup. Like obviously she's gonna put on a front. Obviously, maybe it's not obvious to you, but it's obvious to me and anyone with half a fucking brain. Yeah, just because she was nice to your face, like, no, that doesn't mean shit. It does not mean shit, okay? But I know they're probably thinking that. If you went to a Vegas meetup, you're like, oh, well, I hung out with her and she's actually such a nice person. Like, she's got you fucking fooled. This person said, I saw something interesting during Nicole State's sale this morning. I like to pop onto the big seller show to see what they were doing, LOL. So anyway, one of her big reseller friends bid on this coat, perhaps shill bidding, and she ended up winning it. So a little while later, she said Nicole can give the coat away as a giveaway. And Nicole says she can't do that because shipping will be too much. Cut to 10 minutes later, and Nicole State cancels her order, all while they joke about it, and run it again so someone else can buy it. Which is fine, except I've read several accounts of people asking Nicole to cancel, and she says no, and then talking mean about them in the shows. So she's going to cancel stuff for her friends, but not for people, like other people that buy stuff from her. Sounds about right. Sounds about right. Okay, this person just said, I got scammed so bad by Nicole State. I watched another show of hers and I was like, okay, let me Google this person. So not something I do. I just have to thank you for calling her out. I don't have the money to spend, but I accidentally bid. It wasn't going to be that person. And the $300 box was all from Ross. I legit went there the next day and found the same items from her last 2 shows. But what got me most about the box was that it was worth less than $50. I love how she scams people with her games. First of all, she was selling mystery boxes that she hadn't even purchased yet. People were buying legit fucking mystery boxes that didn't even exist yet. She'd have like 10 mystery boxes in the buy it now, and people would buy it, and she'd be like, oh, I'll show you what you got in 3 days when I do my next live stream, which is blatantly against that platform's rules. So I don't know how the fuck she got away with that. She did that in multiple shows too, and I know she was reported multiple times. I know for a fact she has been reported multiple times by multiple people, and nothing's happened, which is ridiculous. Like, she needs to be held accountable for the shit that she does. This morning, I got this message from someone, and this is kind of what prompted me to make this video, because I'm just so sick of her manipulating people and scamming people and taking advantage of people and having no accountability for literally any fucking thing. Okay, this person said, hi, I found you on YouTube. I have a very big issue currently with Nicole State and possibly another user. I would love your help. I've contacted the live selling platform to explain what happened. I have PTSD, and situations like this are what put me in my trigger. I'm a new seller on here. I've been very active since August. Okay, so she sent me screenshots. So basically what happened was, in one of Nicole's shows, somebody else bought I don't think it was a mystery box. It was a box with a lot of expensive shit that you can find at the fucking outlets at Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshall's, place like that. Handbags and like a few other things. So basically somebody else in the show bought the box for this person that messaged me. So Nicole sent her the wrong box, and this person message Nicole. This is this person's message to Nicole. She said, I received an incorrect shipment. I have a screenshot of the box, blank purchase for me versus the box that I received. I'd like to return this for the correct box. If you could please advise me, that would be great. And Nicole's response was, hey, sorry, I'm in Vegas now, and I need to get home, before I can figure it out. It's literally how she fucking talks. I believe we swapped with someone else. I'm so sorry. And then this person said, enjoy. Thank you. Say hi to everyone for me. So then Nicole replied, she said, I think I sent you a different bag from this person's order. I'm going to reach out to her. There isn't much I can do. Usually we would just offer a full refund. I'm sorry for the mix up. We try to avoid these things because it's usually complicated and we had to pay $47 out of pocket. This person said, it's just disheartening. I was really looking forward to it. It was very nice and very public. To not receive is sad. So basically, okay, hold on. Stop right here. So basically in her show, this other buyer bought this huge, like the box was like $500, I think. So she bought a $500 box of stuff for another viewer. And, you know, it looked great. It looked awesome during the show. Like, oh, that's such a kind thing to do. But this person never ended up receiving the box or didn't receive the right box. So, I mean, rightfully so, this person is like, oh, was that like all for show? She said, I suffer a lot of health issues, PTSD, anxiety, and more. I didn't ask for any of this, and the emotional roller coaster was a lot. She said, is this what happens behind the scenes when it looks like nice things are happening on screen? This was really unkind and cruel. Okay, I'm done now. Then Nicole goes, it was an honest mistake, and I went out of my way and paid out of pocket to send you the gift bag. I'm very sorry this happened, and I feel like this is getting blown out of the water. I did something nice. We mixed up the bags because there wasn't a packing slip. So again, like you really have to say, oh, I went out of pocket to pay for this. Like that defeats the whole purpose of a fucking gift. Like if you're doing something nice for someone, oh, this has happened to me. This has happened to me recently. Actually, if we want to talk about it, I don't want to talk about it. But if you're doing something nice for someone and then you like turn around and throw it in their face, like that defeats the whole purpose. Like that, no, that doesn't, no, don't be a fucking shit person like that. This person said, then Nicole blocked me. I've never bought from her. I was watching her show and someone gifted me their $500 purchase to which Nicole offered to ship it to her. All a nice show for $600. Instead of the loaded box I was promised, she sent me a tote that's currently $85 online. I don't care about stuff or bags. It's principle. Exactly. 600 people think I got an amazing gift I didn't get. It's not right. And I totally agree with that. Yeah, that was the most recent thing that has happened. And like I said, I just don't know how she can get away with this shit. Like I have so many more messages. I literally could make a whole friggin' series about this. Like literally the messages that I get where people have received things, like received the wrong things. They haven't received things like, now the popular thing to do is do a giveaway for gift cards, but send out gift cards with no money on them, like gift cards that weren't loaded. Nicole has done that to a few people, and I have proof. I have messages from people that that's happened to, multiple people. I can understand maybe making a mistake. I don't know how that would be a mistake though, because like I know I buy gift cards, like I give out gift cards in my shows, and I know I don't leave the store until that second receipt comes out. Like you get a regular receipt and then you get another little receipt saying the gift card has been activated. And I know that I don't leave the store until I get that to make sure that it's activated. So yeah, I don't know. I can understand maybe like one, especially if she's buying like cards in bulk, like maybe if she bought like 10 cards at one time, like, oh, maybe one of them didn't get activated, but it's happened to multiple people. So no. I don't believe that it was a mistake. I don't believe that for one fucking second. I just had to make this video and just get this off my chest and just tell you guys, I literally get messages from people weekly about things that have currently happened, or maybe something happened in the past and they finally just got the courage to tell somebody about it. It's insane. Like, again, I can understand, you know, you have a past, you make mistakes, but you're still doing shady shit to this day. No. Stop. I know I'm going to get some people to be like, well, Vanessa, why don't you stay in your own lane? Worry about yourself, Vanessa. I can't fucking worry about myself and stay in my own lane when I literally get messages from people weekly who are like depending on me to try to help them, to try to spread awareness. Like I'm literally the only person that has the balls to do it. Aside from Casey, who's Rockstar Flipper, he's literally the only other person that had the balls to call out Nicole State. And as always, there's going to be people that turn this around and try to be like, oh, well, Vanessa just likes to start drama. It's honestly baffling to me that people still have that mindset that they paint me out to be the bad person. Like, I'm not the one scamming people. I'm not the one doing all the shit that Nicole's doing. I'm just telling you guys about it. So yeah, let's turn this around and make it on me. Like I'm the bad person. That's so fucked up. It is so fucked up. I just laugh at it now. It just makes me laugh because these people, there's just no hope. There's just no hope for these people. Comment down below and let me know if you guys have had a bad experience with Nicole. You can always contact me privately if you don't want your name out there, but you want your story to be heard, because I guess I'm just the person. I'm just the only person that will do that. Yeah, that's why I made this video, because I just wanted to keep you guys informed, just make you aware. Be careful who you spend your money on, because there are a lot of bad people out there.